I'm waiting on you.
Okay, so we're in the car. We're going to Sonic. We're going to Sonic, and then we're gonna go to church. Kelsey's flipping out because she thinks she ran over a bird. Like we were talking. She goes, "I think I just ran over a bird." Like just like that. I'm not lying. We're at Sonic. Yes, we are listening to Miley Cyrus. And yes, we do look like crap. I can't find it. Anyway. I think I just ran over a bird. You're not going to church? Shut up! Yeah, I'm going to church. Shut up, I'm going to church!
Why are y'all going in pajamas?
We are comfortable.
Huh?
We're comfortable. Yeah.
What? Shut up! I'm going to church!
This is our video.
Oh. I thought it was a picture!
No, it's a video blog.
That's my sister. Don't we look alike? You compare. Who's prettier? Yeah, I know I am.
Me.
Yeah, I know. No. Vloggers, I need you to comment on that one. Shut up. Okay, bye.
Bye, Ashley.
Love you! Hey, Richard! I love him.
It's about to rain. If you're not dancing right now, you're a loser.
Yeah, we're definitely late. We're gonna be like, what the fuck are they wearing?
Anyways, we're about to be at church, so we love you. Bye.